What's up, guys? Today I want to do a quick talk about Hertz Global Holdings. It is set to emerge from bankruptcy this week at a perfect time, and shareholders stand to gain. Hi, I'm Stock Treasure. Whatever I say is not meant for legal, tax, or investing advice. This video is for entertainment purpose only. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notification by clicking the bell icon. When you subscribe to my channel, you're going to get the latest information on stocks and stock market related news. Soon you're going to learn about some of my investments and will get an opportunity to see how they perform. Every day I try to upload a video for you, if not at least the next day. Okay, let's get started. Let's have a quick look at how the benchmarks performed today. The Dow Jones is up 0.7%, S&P 500 is up 0.3%, Nasdaq was down 0.06%, Russell 2000 was up 0.03%, VIX was down 2.19%. The rental car company is capitalizing on both a domestic travel surge and a vehicle shortage this summer to raise prices. Vacationers are paying $275 a day or more for mid-size sport utility vehicles from Hertz in popular locations, and $100 a day rentals are common, double what Hertz was getting in the first quarter. Used car prices, meanwhile, have surged, benefiting the industry when they sell their fleets. The rental car market is on fire, and the companies have found pricing discipline, says Hamza Mazari, an analyst at Jefferies. What used to be a dysfunctional oligopoly is now functional. Hertz and Avis privately owned enterprise control about 95% of the domestic market. What used to be a dysfunctional oligopoly is now functional. Hertz, Avis, and privately owned enterprise control about 95% of the domestic market. Bankruptcies usually mean that the equity holders get wiped out. Hertz Global Holdings is proving to be an extraordinary exception. Flush times in the rental car business led to a bidding war for the company in bankruptcy court. Result: creditors are getting paid in full, and shareholders can actually expect a meaningful payout. Investors appear to be attracted to Hertz because of strong rental car pricing, a discounted valuation relative to rival Avis Budget Group, and expectations that the company will have greater financial and operational flexibility once it exits bankruptcy. More upside is likely after Hertz exits bankruptcy, expected on June 30th, with a new stock trading the next day. Hertz will emerge with little or no net corporate debt, while Avis has about $3.5 billion. There are expected to be about 470 million of new Hertz shares outstanding. Current stockholders and others had the right to buy stock at $10 a share. An investor group including Knighthead Capital and Certaris Management has agreed to buy almost $3 billion of stock, reflecting the enthusiasm among many institutional investors for Hertz. Here are some Hertz financial projections. Assume no net debt, and Hertz is valued at about 9 times projected 2023 earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, amortization, or EBITDA of $890 million. This projection was made by Hertz management in April and could prove conservative given the strong industry trends. Investors are excited about rising rental car pricing amid a scarcity of vehicles. The Consumer Price Index report for May released last week showed that rental car prices were up 10% in the month after 14% increases in each of the previous 2 months. There has been anecdotal evidence of customers paying hundreds of dollars a day for rental cars amid scarcity. This summer could be a blockbuster period for the industry. The biggest risk that investors face is if the industry's discipline crumbles when the car shortages eases. Yet, Hertz and Avis cut their fleets in the pandemic and have been slow to rebuild them as automakers prioritize sales of vehicles to dealers. Hertz US fleet stood at 292,000 on March 31st, down from 519,000 a year earlier. New shares of the reorganized Hertz are expected to begin trading around June 30th, with when issued activity possibly earlier. The warrants are expected to start trading around the same time as the stock. Quote of the day: do not give up. Thank you guys for watching. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the like button, click on the bell icon to turn on notification, and go find that treasure.